As the aluminum industry moves toward energy efficiency and green production, improving the performance and stability of anode baking furnaces is key to cutting costs. Running at 1150 to 1200 degrees Celsius, these furnaces need steady heat for carbon block quality, but traditional linings lose heat and crack easily, wasting energy and shortening furnace life. During long baking cycles, heat escapes through the walls, roof, and flue. Traditional linings conduct too much heat, raising shell temperatures and wasting fuel. Thermal cycling causes cracks and damage. Lightweight insulation is key to higher efficiency.
CCEWOOL low biopersistent fiber blankets use an AES system. The fine, uniform fibers contain less than 12% shot and offer 0.28 watts per meter Kelvin at 1000 Celsius, lowering shell temperature and boosting fuel efficiency. With a density of 96 to 160 kilograms per cubic meter, CCEWOOL blankets are up to 25% lighter than traditional ceramic fibers. Their flexible structure resists cracks, and low heat storage enables faster heating and cooling for stable performance. CCEWOOL fibers are biodegradable and body fluid soluble, meeting EU, REACH and Fraunhofer standards. They provide reliable, high-temperature insulation with reduced health risks and ideal RCF alternative. CCEWOOL fiber blankets use the Fiber Micro Defect Detection System V10 to detect defects with near 100% accuracy, ensuring consistent quality.
CCEWOOL low biopersistent fiber blankets provide excellent insulation, furnace, shell, temperature dropped, fuel use fell by 15%, and the operating cycle nearly doubled. The furnace stayed stable, and the CCEWOOL team offered fast, professional support. We look forward to the next cooperation.
Customer feedback shows that CCEWOOL fiber blankets deliver excellent insulation and stability, achieving real energy and cost savings. In aluminum production, furnace efficiency and lining life are critical. With high purity materials and low thermal conductivity, CCEWOOL blankets create a lightweight, efficient, and durable insulation system for anode baking furnaces. CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000, CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.